Hello, friends. This is Michael Stone at the Well of Light, and there's a lot happening here this month, so I just wanted to give you an update. Tonight, that's Monday night, we will be having an online class on relating and relationships and intimacy. So I hope you will join that. The link for that is below. And on September 2nd and 3rd, we'll be having a 2-day course on the magic and mystery of intimate relationships. And especially in challenging times where we feel separate, we feel alone, we feel disconnected from ourselves and from each other. And this is a course really about repairing the break in intimacy and our ability to deeply connect with each other. And if you look at all the world's problems right now, they're all relationship problems, all problems with an inability to relate with each other, because the stress that we carry in these times keeps us numb to our body and our emotions. So we need to open that up and awaken those things so we can move from numbness and being stressed to being available, being connected, being aware of the other person that we're connecting with. And whether it's relationships at work, whether it's our significant other, our family, it's all about relationships. So I hope you will join us. There are links below to find out more. And thank you so much for being a part of the Well of Light family. We really appreciate your partnership and your support in working together to create a world that works for everyone, with no one and nothing left out.